Welcome to Consumer Picks. If you're an artist looking for the best tools to bring your ideas to life, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the 6 best drawing tablets of 2025, from budget-friendly gems to powerhouse tools for professionals. Each one is ranked, so stick around to find out which tablet claims the top spot. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Whether you're sketching your next masterpiece or diving into professional design work, a great drawing tablet can transform your creative process. With so many options available, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why we've done the research for you. From pen displays to screenless tablets, this list has something for every type of artist. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's jump in. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the Wacom 113 Touch, a fantastic choice for digital artists who love the interactive experience of a touchscreen. With its full HD resolution and 10-finger multi-touch gestures, this tablet adds an entirely new dimension to your creative workflow. You can scroll, zoom, and pan directly on the screen as you draw, or turn off the touch feature if you prefer a more traditional setup. What really stands out is the pen-to-paper feel. Wacom's signature pen technology offers incredible accuracy and responsiveness. Palm rejection ensures that accidental hand touches won't interfere with your work. And the best part? The pen never needs charging. The 13-inch display provides a comfortable size for drawing without feeling bulky. However, at $600, it's an investment better suited for artists with some experience rather than total beginners. If you've been using entry-level tablets and are ready to upgrade, the Wacom 113 Touch could be the perfect next step for you. Coming in at number 5 is the Labs Pen Tablet Bundle, the go-to choice for artists who value customization and accessories. This isn't a display tablet, but its array of features more than makes up for it. The bundle includes 2 battery-free pens, interchangeable nibs, a drawing glove, and the Quick Keys remote, which allows you to assign shortcuts to your most used functions like undo, zoom, or change brush size. This level of customization can significantly speed up your workflow, making it a favorite among professional designers. The tablet itself is slim, just 8mm thick, and features a curved armrest for added comfort during long creative sessions. Whether you're working on 2D illustrations or venturing into 3D design, the Labs tablet adapts to your needs effortlessly. Verified users rave about the precise drawing experience and love the thoughtful accessories that come with this bundle. If you're looking for a high-quality pen tablet with a focus on versatility, the Labs Pen Tablet Bundle is worth every penny. At number 4, we have the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24, the ultimate splurge for professional artists. With a starting price of $1,900, this pen display tablet is undeniably expensive, but it delivers a premium experience that's hard to beat. The 24-inch 4K resolution display offers exceptional clarity, allowing you to see every fine detail in your work. With 99% Adobe RGB color accuracy, you'll experience vibrant and true-to-life colors, perfect for detailed illustrations, animations, and even photo editing. The Pro Pen 2, included with the tablet, offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and a pen-to-paper feel that Wacom is famous for. Whether you're drawing intricate designs or shading large areas, the Pro Pen 2 handles it all with precision. Renowned storyboard artist Jim Mortensen swears by this model, citing its reliability and unparalleled software support. If you're ready to invest in your art career, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is a tool that will keep up with even the most demanding projects. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Wacom Intuos Pro, the ultimate screenless drawing tablet for artists who prioritize precision and performance. Wacom has been a leader in the digital art world for decades, and the Intuos Pro lives up to the reputation. This lightweight and portable tablet comes in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large, so you can pick one that suits your artistic needs. The included Pro Pen 2 is a game-changer with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, virtually no lag, and tilt recognition. These features make it easy to achieve everything from delicate strokes to bold, dynamic lines, all with pinpoint accuracy. Customization is a key strength of the Intuos Pro. You can program the express keys and the buttons on the Pro Pen 2 to match your favorite shortcuts, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you're working on detailed illustrations, photo edits, or even animation, this tablet adapts to your style seamlessly. Taking the runner-up spot is the Huion Canvas Pro 12, a budget-friendly pen display tablet that doesn't skimp on quality. At just $250, this tablet is perfect for artists looking to level up without breaking the bank. The Canvas Pro 12 features a 120% sRGB color gamut, presenting 16.7 million vibrant colors with stunning clarity. The anti-glare screen ensures that your work looks crisp and clear, even in bright environments. It also reduces the gap between the pen nib and the cursor, giving you a natural, seamless drawing experience. What sets this tablet apart are the 4 customizable express keys and a touch bar, allowing you to control canvas zooming, brush adjustments, and page scrolling effortlessly. While it does require a connection to a computer or laptop, this setup provides the power and flexibility you need for detailed digital artwork. Artists on Reddit have praised the Canvas Pro 12 for its durability and scratch-resistant screen, noting that it's an excellent entry-level option for anyone new to pen displays. And finally, the best drawing tablet of 2025 goes to the Apple iPad Pro, 7th generation, a device that's as powerful as it is versatile. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, the iPad Pro delivers an unparalleled drawing experience. This year's model features the powerful M4 chip, providing lightning-fast performance, excellent battery life, and a stunning OLED display. With ProMotion technology and up to 1,600 nits of brightness, your artwork will look incredibly crisp and vibrant, whether you're working on illustrations, animations, or graphic design. The iPad Pro pairs seamlessly with the Apple Pencil Pro, which has been upgraded to include a squeeze function for switching tools, gyroscope barrel rolls for precise control, and even custom haptic feedback to mimic the feel of traditional drawing tools. These features make the iPad Pro a joy to use, whether you're sketching out ideas or working on intricate projects. If you're looking for a drawing tablet that does it all, the Apple iPad Pro 7th generation is the clear winner of 2025. That wraps up our list of the 6 best drawing tablets of 2025. Which one do you think suits your creative style best? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, you can find links to all the products we covered today in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Picks for more reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.